How to turn on or turn off notifications on CarGurus. Hello friends, in this video I would show you how you can turn on or turn off notifications on CarGurus. What do you do first? The first thing to do is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like shop, sell, saved, finance, more, and click on the more option. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the more page. On this page, you can see a profile, all right, showcasing options like recently viewed, recommended cars, saved cars and searches, my income, research cars, locate dealers near me at a car review, account settings, notification settings. So click on notification settings. On the notification settings page, you can see two kinds of notifications, right? The email notifications and push notifications. So select email notifications. Now, if you do not want to go through this process, actually, you could just decide to go to your phone settings and turn off every kind of notifications from CarGurus automatically. But if you just want to do it yourself by coming to the application and selecting the ones that you want to put off. Just once you're on the notifications page, you'll see a number of notifications that you can receive from CarGurus, especially from your email. So just move to the right side of the particular notification that you no longer want to receive, that you would like to turn off or turn on, and then just click on the toggle. Now, after clicking on the toggle, if it's on black, it means that it has been turned off. But if it's blue, it means it is turned on, as you can see here. And then, but if you want to receive, if you want to turn off every kind of email notifications, just click on the toggle next to it, and as you can see, it has been turned off. As you turn it on, click on the toggle again, and once it slides to the blue, it means that it has been turned on. The same thing applies to push notifications. So on this page, you can see new feature updates and all of that. So if you want to stop receiving notifications for a new feature update, just tap on toggle, and then once it goes off or once it turns black, it means that it has turned off. The same thing applies to all other notification. Yeah. So you can just do that. So this is how you can turn off or turn on notifications on CarGurus. Thanks for watching and have a good day.